Hello everyone. Today I'm going to show you how to use OpenCV. OpenCV is a computer vision tool and also includes some machine learning features. To use that, first we open the Jupyter Lab and create a new notebook. So first thing first, we need to install OpenCV package. To install, we can directly install in the Docker image, Docker container. So go to the bash and we just run the pip install command. Pip install opencv-python. It takes a couple of seconds. Yeah, now it's finished. So go back to the notebook. Let's restart. Now we're ready to go. So first thing first, we import CV2 and we test it. No such file directory. Okay, let me check what is the problems. Yeah, so in the Docker container, we are missing some tools. So let's run the apt-get install ffmpeg, and also we need libsm6 and libxxt6. Okay, let's install them. Okay, so now let's go back to here and restart and run. Yeah, so now it's good. Let's start from some basic processing, because the package, like I said, is to handle the problem of computer vision. So we need to find an image. Yeah, so we can go to Google and find some cartoon characters, and I save it. Yeah, so now I upload the image to here, and I rename it to test. Okay, so now the very basic operation is we read the image from OpenCV. How to do that? So it's just simply code cv2.emread and the file name. And we can test. We can assert image is not none. Let's do it. Right, it works. Also, you can access a pixel value by its rows and columns coordinates. For BGR image, it returns an array of blue, gray, green, and red value. So let's try it. So the pixel, we can get the pixel from row 100 and column 100. And then we print the pixel. Let's try. Yeah, you see, this is the number of the BGR. If you don't know what is the BGR color range, you can just Google search. Let me show you. Google, we can say that some system call it RGB, some system call it BGR. It depends on what tools, what libraries you are using. For OpenCV, it uses BGR color. We can go to any website and to test. Right, any value, any color from 0 to 255. You can select any colors in between these two values. So back to here. And also we can like accessing only blue pixel, right? For example, the blue is equals amg dot 100 100 and we got 0. 0 is this one. Is the first one, right? So let's print the blue. Yeah, it's 139. And also we can accessing the image properties. For example, we can check the shapes of the image, means the number of row and number of column and the channels. Like if it's a image is color image, we have the channel. If it's not color image, we don't have that. So let me show you how to do this. To show the shapes, we need to print image shape. So print. As you can see, this image is 400 by 400, and also it's a color image, so we have the BGR. And also we can know the total number of pixels by just print the image dot size. So how many pixels? We have 480,000 pixels of this image here, right? And yeah, so and we also can do something else. For example, if you want to just show some certain region of the image, for example, the eyes or the face or something else, how to do it? So first thing, we need to know, for example, let's go back to this. We have to know the coordinates of the face, right? Give me some time. I need to find it out, the coordinates. Okay, here I found the coordinates of the face. So let me show you how to print it. To print the image, you have to import matplotlib.pyplot as plt. This is common use. And we type plot em show face. Yeah, and try it. See? It show only the face area. Maybe you are thinking why the color is different, because the matplotlib use RBG and the CV2, the OpenCV use BGR. So we need to switch it before we print. So let me show you. So to change the color range, you need to run this one. The face I want equals to CV2 CVT color face. I need CV2 color BGR2 RGB, and then you show it. Okay, there's a typo. It's a CVT color. Okay. Yeah. Now you see the color is changed back. Now I show you how to cut the image. And the next one, I want to show you how to draw a rectangle on the original image. So to do that, let's read it again. So no, actually, we don't need to read the image again. We can use the same environment. So we want to draw a rectangle on the original image. To draw, we need to go CV2 rectangle and image. And the coordinates is actually, if we want to just circle the face area, right? So the coordinates will be this as well. And the image will be, let me see, 7300. 300 and another 400, 40 and 360. 40 and 360. And then we want the color is 255.0. Okay, so let's try. We give it the name image 2. Okay, let's try this. Okay, oh, we need to show the image. So I am show mg2. Okay, do it. Oh, because the coordinates, there's some issue. So it draws somewhere at here. Let me change it. Oh, before we do it, we need to also switch to the color range to RGB. Okay. Okay, so this point should be the top left, and here should be the bottom right. So let me see. Okay, so this is the final point. Let's try it. Here, you can see it circled the face. And also, we can draw a line, we can draw a circle, we can draw a lot of shapes. Yeah, that's all the videos. Thanks for watching. I will see you in the next one.